You know what is disgusting? Is when I see fitness professionals, personal trainers and gym owners and stuff. I hate when I see when a client comes in, or I shouldn't say client, a prospect comes in to their facility and they treat them with disgust, like they don't care, like with an attitude. I don't know if they are on juice or what, but they come out with a bad personality and persona. That don't rub well with the client, and in return the client don't want to do business with you. Listen to me. Acting with that don't care-ish, nasty attitude goes nowhere. 50% of business have all to do with your attitude and personality. So have a nice personality. Come on. That's all you need, a good personality, and you're halfway there. Guys, let me tell you something. You see, empathy, that feeling of caring, understanding people's pain and passion and joy and feelings and emotions. If you understand empathy, you will succeed over all your competition, because most competition don't even care about empathy. They just care about the money. They don't really care about the client neither. Show that you care. Show that you're really interested in them. Even when they're trying to sell them a package or program, show that you're really trying to sell them the program that is best for them. And it's not about the money, it's all about them. By showing empathy, you will not only win a client, you'll win a friend. They will be the person that will spread your gospel to the entire community, and you will start to get more and more prospects by just showing empathy. That's simple. Guys, I want you to try it. Try it for the next 30 days. See for yourself how it will improve the way you conduct business, the way your client look at you, and how much referrals you will get from just showing empathy. It'll be much easier for you to even sell one of your programs. Show empathy. That's all. Do it for the next 30 days. Leave a comment. Tell me about your experience. If you have any questions also regarding leads generation, I'm talking about sales and even retaining your prospects and your clients, just ask me. Or if there's any question you want me to address or any situation you want me to address on this channel, go ahead, tell me, and I will address it on this channel. As always, if you think it was beneficial for you and you know it might be beneficial for a friend, share this content as much as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, peace and success in your fitness business.